Hello guys, welcome back to Creativity Queen. So today we're gonna be making a DIY fruits keychain out of glue gun. So the only required materials to make this keychain is a pair of scissors, glue gun and some paint. So let's start crafting. Watching this video guys, I really appreciate it and it means a lot to me. Do subscribe, like and comment down below what you think about this video. Also follow me on Instagram for sneak peeks and updates of my channel. So I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye bye, stay home, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye.